Multiple tornado warnings were issued in parts of the Heartland, which led to hail, flooded roads and other damage. PCR 702 in Perry County, Mo. is impassable due to high water. Avoid the area. Burnout Bridge on OCR 501 in Perry County, Mo. is impassable due to high water. Avoid the area. Do not attempt to drive through flooded areas. Missouri is reporting 160 customers without power in Scott County, Mo. About 300 customers are without power, according to the Missouri Electric Cooperative.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.